Welcome to Life Moves. I'm Saeed Mahmood. We are about to enter Ayasofya one last time while it is a museum before it is reconverted into a mosque. This is in the heart of the historic part of Istanbul, just a stone's throw away from the Blue Mosque and the Hippodrome of Constantinople. Of course, the Blue Mosque was built much later in 1616. Ayasofya has been dominating the skyline of Constantinople since the year 537. That makes it just under 1500 years old. The minarets, however, were added much later by the Ottomans, the red minaret being the oldest of the four. The two identical ones on the left were designed by the famous Ottoman architect Mimar Sinan in the 16th century. In the courtyard, you will see wudu facilities where Muslims used to wash their face and hands and feet before prayers. These facilities are likely to be used again soon for the first time in 89 years. Ayasofya has changed hands many times. Every time the city was conquered by an empire, the building was repurposed to reflect the emperor's religious values. You will find a full timeline of that in the description. These tunnels are some of the oldest surviving parts of the building. Where we are standing now is the upper gallery. During the time of the Eastern Roman Empire, the empress and the court ladies used to watch the proceedings down below from here. On the walls, you will see large metal discs from the Ottoman period with Arabic inscriptions on them. They read Allah, the Arabic word for God, Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the Islamic prophet, Abu Bakr, Umar, Uthman, Ali, Hassan, and Hussein, radillahu anhum ajma'in, the companions of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. There are also many mosaics portraying Christian religious figures. Following the building's conversion into the mosque in 1453, many of the mosaics were covered with plaster, as representational imagery is discouraged in Islam, especially in a mosque. This process, however, was not completed at one go. There are reports from the 17th century in which travelers note that they could still see Christian images on some of the walls. In 1717, Sultan Ahmed III renovated some plasters, preserving many of the mosaics. It was not until the 1930s that all the mosaics were seen again, when Ayasofya was converted into a museum. Here you can see the pulpit from where the Imam used to deliver the khutbah, meaning the sermon. This was of course added by the Ottomans. This is the last time we see Ayasofya as it is now. As of 2020, there are plans to convert it back into a mosque. Surely there will be some changes. However, the authorities have assured that just like all other famous mosques of Turkey, Ayasofya will also remain open to tourists, in addition to allowing Muslims to pray there. What are your thoughts on Ayasofya? Please let us know in the comments. For more videos from Turkey and from around the world, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you for watching. In Istanbul, in the Sultan Ahmed area.
Thank you so much.